what's going on. So there's nothing more exciting about a dance studio than putting the dance floor on. So this is phase 4. We have been giving you updates every week, and what I want to show you today is our beautiful brand new floor. So check it out. It looks amazing. I was just testing dancing on it and it feels pretty good. So we can't wait to have you guys here dancing at our social dances and taking our classes. Today, I really wanted to see if this is going to work for you because we're using a little different material this time. It's supposedly waterproof and scratch resistant. So that way we don't have to close the studio when we need to refinish the floor. No more of that. So I think it looks beautiful. It feels pretty good. I was able to do my turns, my footwork. And yeah, so this week we're measuring for mirrors. That's the second most important ingredient about a dance studio. We gotta have our floors and we gotta have our mirrors. So the mirrors are going along this entire wall right here. So that's it. It's a short update, but it's an exciting update. It took us a while to pick the material. We went back and forth testing different floors, and I finally picked this one for you. I think you're going to love it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, check our website. The grand opening is coming. Information is coming about it very soon, so stay tuned. www.salsawithsilvia.com.